Hi everyone, welcome to the Green Chair. My name is Fredrik Fogelklou and I'm responsible for parts and lifecycle solutions here at Kalmar. Every machine has a clock, and at a certain point, machines tend to become less reliable. And that can of course have an impact on both your productivity as well as your eco-efficiency. You can lose sleep at night worrying if your aging machine is going to stop you from doing business. Many don't realize that replacing that aging machine with a new can have a big impact on the environment. However, there is a different way that's often overlooked. You can reset the clock. You can give your machine a second life. You can do that through Kalmar refurbishment services. The biggest contributor to CO2 in manufacturing heavy-duty mobile equipment is actually the steel. Just imagine the process of creating that steel, from the mine to the foundry to the factory, plus all the transportation there in between. Now imagine that entire process, all the energy that's required to create that steel, plus scrapping steel from the old machine, steel that's just as good as new. Interestingly enough, steel structures is the one component on a machine that, with very few exceptions, actually lasts the entire life cycle of the machine. By going through your machine, certifying the quality of the steel, and changing out the components that need to be changed, you can turn back that clock on your machine. You can improve and bring back the reliability of your operations. Plus, more importantly, you can take responsibility for how we use the resources on our planet. The great thing, while you have to wait for a new machine to be delivered, very often a refurbished machine can be done in a fraction of the time. Kalmar has a network of own workshops as well as partners where we can do refurbishment work of terminal tractors, reach stackers, and forklifts. The first step is that we take in the machine and we do a detailed assessment of the quality and the condition of the machine. Based on that, a detailed proposal will be provided on what work is to be done. The challenge here is to determine what components do we switch out to have a real impact on the machine's reliability, while at the same time taking responsibility for being as economical and as eco-efficient as possible. Of course, it helps having the backing of years of experience that we have here at Kalmar, based on when we built that machine all those years ago, new from the factory. Of course, not everything is going to be switched out, but you should sleep well at night knowing that your machine is ready for its second life, is reliable, and is working well in your operations. Refurbishing your machines will save you time, it will save you money, as well as drive the reliability and the eco-efficiency of your operations. Thanks for joining, and be sure to keep an eye out for the next chapter in Kalmar's eco-efficiency story.